Hi everyone, welcome to Safety with Savvy. Another safety tip from our favorite tail-wagging safety dog, Savvy. Are you ready? Are you ready? What did you bring for us today? All right, let's take a look at this video. So do you see what's happening here?
Yes, it's
It takes a while to figure it out. Now I get it.
back to front, and that would not keep anybody from breaking into your house.
Oh, that is not good. Okay, so what happened with this video?
Well, they're going to have to do that again, so it's going to be twice as expensive as they thought it was to begin with, and that's complete incompetence.
Okay,
Complete incompetence, people not knowing what they're doing, and yeah, watch out for that.
yeah,
That's a costly mistake.
right. So you're basically saying that they're going to have to, this was installed back to front, so they're going to have to redo it completely and install it all over again?
And they probably won't be able to install that door again necessarily because, well, even if they do, the hinges
Yeah.
are terrible. All you got to do is take a nail and pop those up and you could walk away with that door to the outside of the home.
So it's a safety risk too?
Oh, it's terrible. That's barbaric.
Oh my goodness. Savvy, that was a good video. Sav,
You would not approve, would you? No, you would not approve.
she gave a definite, absolutely no way.
thumbs down.
That's it.
Do you have a thumb? Not really.
No, she doesn't have thumbs, but she's trying. Huh. Valid point.
If she did, she would do a better job of installing a door.
Okay, there you go. All right, well, there you go. So basically, you got a situation where it looks like this installation took place. You think you got a good door, but it's a very costly mistake because it was installed incorrectly. You have to do it all over again, possibly even get a new door. So definitely can be expensive. Well, thank you, everyone. Thanks for the safety tip, Sav. She's looking a little not excited today. Sav, are we excited? Yes, we are. All right. Well, for now, we'll sign off. So thank you so much for watching. Say bye.
Bye.